Hello everyone. Today we will create a simple and impressive Magnify text effect in After Effects. To begin, we have a composition with the text Magnify already in place. First, select the text layer, right-click, go to Layer Styles, and choose the Drop Shadow effect. Open the Drop Shadow layer style, enable the Global Light option, set the size to around 10, increase the noise value to about 5%, set the distance to approximately 6%, and decrease the opacity to 65%. Hide the layer properties by pressing U on the keyboard. Next, select the text layer again, go to Effects and Presets, and search for Magnify Text with Alpha. Drag and drop this effect onto the text layer. You will notice a blurry circle appears. In the Effect Controls panel, increase the size of the circle to around 300 to 350, and set the feather value to about 15. Ensure the shape is set to circle instead of square. Make sure the playhead is at the beginning of the timeline, then enable the stopwatch to create a keyframe. Adjust the circle so it is positioned outside the composition for the starting point of the animation. Use the hover button to move the circle as needed. Move the playhead forward to around 2.5 or 3 seconds. And again use the hover button to drag the circle across the text, creating the magnification effect. Press U to view the keyframes and adjust them for a smooth, slow animation. Press P to bring up the position property, create a keyframe, and move the text out of the composition. Move the playhead forward by 1 or 1.5 seconds and reset the position value. Press U again to see all keyframes, then select and adjust them as needed for a sliding animation. Select both keyframes, press F9 for easy ease, and use the Speed Graph editor to refine the animation curve. You can add more keyframes and adjust them to further enhance the animation. If you want the effect to last longer, simply space the keyframes farther apart. That concludes this tutorial. The project file is available in the description below. If you enjoyed this video, please share, comment, and subscribe. I will see you in the next video.